was armed with a handgun that immediately engaged with them, and there was an exchange of gunfire. One of our police officers was shot tonight. Thank goodness he has non-life-threatening injuries. The subject that engaged with the officers is deceased. In the apartment that the armed subject exited from when officers went inside, there was an adult individual that was suffering from life-threatening injuries. That individual has been transported to an area hospital. Our police officer was transported to an area hospital as well. And again, we are absolutely thankful that that police officer has non-life-threatening injuries. You know, I will absolutely say that this was an incredibly frightening incident. I had the opportunity to watch the body-worn camera footage before coming out here to address all of you, and it was incredibly frightening. And I could very easily be coming out here to talk about a very different outcome for our police officers. And while our injured officer will certainly have a difficult road ahead in terms of recovery, I am absolutely grateful that all of our police officers will be going home following this incident. I can't express how grateful I am to them for responding to that sound of gunfire, for going towards the danger, for protecting the community. We've seen frightening incidents occurring across the country right now. They followed their training. They did exactly what we asked them to do, and they did their job tonight. And I am just incredibly grateful that these circumstances weren't different.
Good evening. As Joy said, my name is Thomas Lester. I'm with the Independent Investigations Division at the Office of the Attorney General. As of October 1 of 2021, the Independent Investigations Division within the Office of the Attorney General is charged with investigating any fatal or potential fatal shooting or incident involving the police and civilians throughout the state. This evening, the Baltimore County Police Department notified our office. Currently, our investigators are on scene along with our partners from the Maryland State Police Crime Scene Division. We're currently reviewing evidence and gathering details on the officer-involved shooting that occurred this evening. What the community can expect next from our office is that we will identify the involved officer pending his treatment and his release from the hospital. We will identify the decedent in this case, and as the chief said, the officers who responded to this evening's unknown trouble was equipped with body-worn cameras. The office will review that footage, and once that we are able to conduct our interviews of witnesses who may have been on the scene this evening, we will make that video available to the public.